Hello, my friends. So here is my final for the small scale group build, and I really like how this little Austin Healey turned out. I added a roll bar, rear view mirror, these little straps on the hood. The original would have gone all the way across, but I thought this worked out really well too. I loved how the paint turned out. The only thing I'm really not happy with is these decals were quite old, and they broke apart quite a bit when I put them on, and they're just a little too big, but not a big deal. I mean, the originals would have gone on the door right here, and they would have been much smaller, but this is what I had, so I went with it. The Corvette, I'm really happy how it turned out. I'm not crazy about, I did have some problems with the paint on this side, so this will be the Craigslist side on this side. But overall, I'm really happy how it turned out. I ended up using 1/25th scale rims actually for this. And then I had some tires from I believe it was a Porsche 914 kit. And I used those, kind of stole them out of that kit. So whenever I build that kit, I'm going to be like, I'll forget and be like, where are the tires for this thing? So anyway, that's how it goes. So yeah, so I'm really happy with that one. Didn't really do much on the base there. It's just kind of basic. I really concentrated on the outside here on this one. And then there's that Austin Healey again. And I believe it's a 1950, I want to say 53 is what I think I found. But yeah, overall, I'm really happy. Oh, I did add a little windshield here also. The racing version ones typically had a very small windshield here. I'm not sure why they even bothered, but maybe it kept the rocks out of their helmets. I'm not really sure if they even wore helmets, honestly. but yeah, so that's that. So consider this is my final video for the group build. And I really appreciate you guys watching, subbing, and commenting. We have such a great community here. And my name is Jerry, and I'm signing off. Thanks again for watching.